This is Craig Haugard with your Financial Issues Ag Update. A major story that could be developing for the commodity markets is the U.S. dollar, which on Friday weakened to levels not seen since September of 2018. This weakness increases our competitiveness in the export market and could lead to greater export demand for all agricultural products. Corn prices on Friday were steady to slightly weaker as updated forecasts suggested a cooler weather pattern would develop, and that leads to favorable growing conditions. Now, crop conditions in this afternoon's progress report are expected to be steady or improved from last week. In the overnight trade, we have spot futures trading a penny lower as I record this. The soybean market seemed to pause and take a deep breath on Friday as traders tried to evaluate the impact of mounting tensions between the U.S. and China. Demand for U.S. soybeans has been very good the past several weeks, and the weather looks a bit more promising as we move into the month of August, which of course is critical for the pod filling stage of soybeans. In the overnight trade, we have the spot futures market trading a penny higher as this market kind of looks for some direction in here. Wheat was sharply higher on Friday as traders anticipated increased export business on the heels of the weaker dollar. In the overnight trade, we're kind of giving back some of Friday's gains as we have Chicago trading 4 cents lower, Kansas City is down 2, while Minneapolis is a penny lower as I record this. Cotton futures headed into the weekend on a very weak note, with December futures dropping 182 points to settle at 60.10. In the overnight trade, spot futures are basically unchanged, actually trading 4 points better as I record this. Livestock futures had a mixed session on Friday. We had the October live cattle futures ending the day 50 cents higher, while September feeder cattle were 42.5 cents lower at the closing bell. Lean hog futures were weaker, with the October futures closing down 87.5 cents. Class 3 milk futures continued their recent sell-off, with the August futures finishing down 75 points as they settle at 21.75. Now, in the overnight trade, we seem to be snapping back. They're actually trading 41 points higher as I record this. Meat cutout values were mixed to end the week on Friday. We had choice box beef 49 cents lower, closing at 201.77. While we had select boxes down 16 cents to settle at 190.63. Pork carcass cutout values were 86 cents higher as they settled out the week at $70.53 per hundredweight. This has been Craig Haugard with your Financial Issues Ag Update. We'll be right back with more financial issues after this.